There's 3 soaks the entire fight.
Here we go.
That's it.
How many total are there?
3.
No, never mind.
Oh,
It's okay.
soaks? It's like
8 or something, you know.
Okay.
You show your cute mouth to crap.
He is really cute, dude.
What the fuck?
Cross out the ones who paint my cars and watch me weep. I love everything.
Muting.
Group 1, 2, 3, 4.
It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
What happened to my opener there? That's so cringe.
I know. It's very cringe that you only did basically what I did.
I don't know what happened.
Tyler is really good at edging.
I'm constantly edging.
Personals here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Delta, make sure you clear.
Armbark here.
It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
I have immune.
Group 1. Group 2. Group 3. Group 4. Odd. TJ, make sure you clear. Group 1. Hold. Maybe health pot here if you're scared. 2. 3. 4.
Yeah.
Resident drive right now. 40 clear right now. Is probably going to die in the last phase. Just get ready to resin. Make sure he has a Stole Stone on actually. We're going to do a big move towards Star after the jump.
I have immune.
Second pot.
Get these. Everyone's alive. Keep it up. Use your shit on Gordy right now. Zav.
I already used on Alice.
Okay. Alright, anything to survive this next shit. Res Hosmer right now. Everyone's on star right now. Everyone's on star. Get ready to darkness, everything, linking. Just slow up here.
Heal yourself if you need. AG.
Oh my god!